Hallo, ich bin Kevin Götz und ihr schaut WPNews.
The results shows that it was an easy game, but it wasn't. We started really good in offense and in defense too. The defense was working very good. Our blocks were on place, on point. I'm really happy that we played very well today, because on the weekend we have the Hungarian Cup, and I hope that today's game will give us big motivation, big power to play. Our very first attack, we managed to score, and I think it gave like a good base for the whole team, for the whole game to go. We showed our power in the first 20 seconds, first 30 seconds. So I'm really happy that we played that well today. Maybe they were tired because of those games, but I also think that we are a better team, and we showed it today that our bench is longer than theirs, and I think we really showed the whole group, the other group too, that we have goals this year again, and we really want to defend last year's victory.